Okay, let's interview Banana Herrera on how she feels about her inhaler. How do you feel about your inhaler?
It's so annoying.
Because
Because I look like a dork inhaling some funny thing.
what does it look like?
Looks like a circle. It looks like a tape measure.
Tape measure? Tape measure or measuring tape?
Whatever it is. Okay.
Yeah, check your teeth in front of the camera.
Look at my braso, it's so big.
What did the doctors... Yes, she forgot to take out the sticker.
Wow, legs.
What did your doctor say?
He said, bye. Ang traffic.
Yes, it is very traffic today.
I'm hungry.
At 4:15 p.m. in Katipunan. We all know why. Because Katipunan is the... What is Katipunan? Katipunan is the... is the stairway to traffic.
Traffic.
Madam, ano po masasabi niyo? Yan ho yung upo niya ngayon. Ano po masasabi niyo sa traffic ng Katipunan, madam? Madam, ano po masasabi niyo sa traffic ng Katipunan? Na-miss niyo ba ang traffic ng Katipunan? Na ngayong nanggagaling na po kayo sa San Beda, Alabang? Mali, Alabang Hills po pala. Madam, ano po masasabi niyo sa traffic sa Katipunan?
Traffic.
Nami-miss niyo po ba yung traffic dito? O pareho lang yung traffic sa Alabang? Madam, sino po ka-text niyo, madam?
Chili. Ate, pwedeng relax ka lang.
Okay, relax na po ako. Bye.